To put it in another perspective, but in summary, in relation to the IS strategy triangle, we can use this illustration to further understand what's the implication of each of the business strategy to other factors that we look and we consider that as an IS strategy triangle. So we'll start with business strategy drives all other strategies. That means we're prioritizing the business strategy as the main point that will give direction to the company, and it will follows that organizational and information strategy are then dependent upon the business strategy of the organization. And IS strategy is affected by other strategies a firm uses. So that means even if you have a business strategy and organizational strategy, you still consider those strategies in formulating your IS strategy. And looking at focusing on IS strategy as an IS student, it always involves consequences. And even if you are very positive on the result of the IS, you have to anticipate that there might be negative or unanticipated consequences of implementing IS, which may not be clearly planned on what action should be done. So by considering all other factors of the strategies, we now anticipate how can your organization anticipate some consequences of IS and take some risk assessment on those factors to be able to plan for possible action. Lastly, in summary, changes in any strategy requires changes in the others to maintain the balance. So we try to establish a balance that if we will take, for example, one factors on the other side, we also considering what would be the effect on its triangle. So we look at the relationship of those factors in all aspects that we're looking at, but we put business strategy first before all other strategies.